All right, so good morning, everybody. Thank you, Scott, and thank you to LSI for giving us the opportunity, first of being part of this wonderful event, and also to be able to introduce our firm to you. Cuatro Casas is one of the leading law firms in Iberia, and it's actually one of these leading law firms, the only one that has headquarters in Barcelona. Okay, we love Barcelona. We're really proud of our city, but we also think that there's still a way to go, right? There's still potential, and that's why we really appreciate to LSI to take the initiative to bring this conference here, because we think that these type of events are what can take our city to the next level and to the next stage. I think that we are in a great momentum here for the medtech industry. We have really strong players in the health arena from reputed hospitals. I think that we are going to be hearing to El Clínico, for instance, after this presentation. Historic local pharmas, also subsidiaries of multinational pharmas in Barcelona, innovative biotechs on the one hand, and then on the other side, we have a booming technology market in Barcelona. And the combination of these two things, I think that can really provide an unparalleled ecosystem for the development and the success of the medtech industry. We really think that. And Cuatro Casas wants to be a part of it, right? I think we are already playing a role of it the only way that we can do, which is assisting companies and investors in this industry. At the end of the day, right, probably legal topics or legal issues is not the most favorite topic in this room, right? But at the end, I think that you also will bear with me that having a solid basis on your businesses and on your investments can really make a difference on the future of those businesses and investments, okay? Having said that, let me just give you a few words about Cuatro Casas, who we are, what defines us as a firm, and how we think we can help you. Give me to start by giving you a few figures, which I think are illustrative. Well, we have more than 100 years of history, by the way. We are 1,200 lawyers and 1,800 professionals in total. We are, I think, among the 5 largest law firms in continental Europe. We have 27 offices in 13 countries, and we have professionals of about 30 countries in the world. So I think that we can say that we are an international law firm. Strong values and big focus on ESG. Here is the map where we have offices. Our real business, let's say, our main business is in Iberia, Spain and Portugal, and then in Latin America, Colombia, Chile, Peru, and Mexico. And then we have other more type of representative offices, like in New York and London, for example. But rather than these figures, I would like to just detain a moment in what I think that defines us. Apart from the general aspects that you would typically look into large law firms, like technical excellence, speed of delivery, availability all hours of night and weekends or whatever. Apart from that, which is presumed, I think, if I had to pick 2 aspects that I think that define Cuatro Casas, I would probably pick specialization and innovation, okay? Specialization, we are a client-driven firm. We want to be close to our clients. We want to be able to anticipate the needs of our clients, right? And for that, I think that it's extremely important to know, to some extent, the business that the clients are in. And for this reason, we created time ago the industry groups, in which we include lawyers from the different areas of traditional law, but that have an expertise in the sector. And in this context, we created the life sciences group in Cuatro Casas, which I'm chairing. There we have, of course, lawyers, transactional lawyers, IP lawyers, regulatory lawyers, competition law lawyers, all the different lawyers that you would need in your progress, in your businesses. Then innovation. I think that I can proudly say, even if this room, I will dare say that we are one of the most innovative firms in Europe. Actually, we won the Financial Times Award for the most innovative firms a few times. Well, this is a strong statement, I guess, but also what can I tell to prove that, right? Apart from the fact, by the way, that we are the only law firm and services firm that is located in Barcelona in the technological district. Everyone else is in the center. We are in the technological district. But apart from that, a couple of examples of the innovation. One, we have a startup accelerator. It was the first one to be launched by a European law firm. We actually are, right now, in our 8th edition, and we have helped more than 40 startups, including in the health sector. I was yesterday meeting with one of the winners of this year. We have helped providing legal support and guidance, okay? And the second, let's say, example is that we were chosen last year by Harvey. Harvey is the legal arm of OpenAI, ChatGPT. We were chosen to launch the pilot for their generative IA in the legal sector in Spain, okay? And all of that, with intention of just providing a better service to the client, a more efficient service to the client, and has also given us the opportunity, which I think it's really important, to attract and retain the best talent from the universities. And just very quickly to end, how can we help you? I mean, listen, we are a full-service law firm. We provide, and with specialized teams, as I mentioned, so we can help you with any legal needs you may face along the way. To entrepreneurs and medtech companies, we can assist in the whole process, from research and development agreements, partnership agreements, regulatory and IP aspects throughout the preclinical and clinical phases. We advise in all type of commercial agreements, licensing, manufacturing, supply, distribution, promotion. We have compliance, of course. We have competition, tax, employment issues, the famous incentive plans, etc. We also, of course, assist in the transactional part of the businesses, of the projects, M&A, investment rounds. There we advise both to companies and to investors. We have a very strong venture capital and private equity teams. And finally, of course, we can help you with the exit if everything goes well. And if it doesn't go that well, in the ways to, close your project and start a new adventure. And this is all. Just, we're here, and, if very happy to help if you need any legal needs, support along the way. Thank you very much.